What can happen to your body if you wear a bra every day? From wraps to cups, bras are available nowadays in the most unique shapes and design varieties made to please every woman who wears them. Aside from creating a foundation for your clothing and making you look good, bras are made to benefit you in a diversity of ways. Number 1. Your neck will be in less pain. You may have heard that large breasts can affect your back. Unfortunately, having larger breasts and cup sizes may lead to neck strain and an aching back and shoulders. Although some people, at the advice of their doctors, go for a breast reduction, wearing a comfortable and well-fitting bra may help you with support and the easing of this pain. Number 2. Your spinal posture may be better. Gravity won't spare any of us. Considering that the weight of your breasts may cause discomfort, your posture could also be affected for the same reason. Needless to say, wearing a bra for support may help you with having better posture and reducing spinal problems. Number 3. Your breasts won't hurt during exercise. Unfortunately, some girls and women experience breast pain during exercise. This happens due to the movement of the breast tissue during jogging, running, or exercising your body, in general. The solution is simple: wear a sports bra. This will help to support the superior portion of your back and, of course, will reduce any pain that exercise may cause. Number 4. You'll get a boost in confidence. Famous model and businesswoman Dita Von Teese once said, "Don't save your good lingerie for dates, wear it for you." What we get from her is a message we should all embrace. It's safe and proven to say that if you feel beautiful wearing a bra or set of lingerie, you'll instantly feel more confident and ready for that important day. Go girl! Number 5. You'll look fashionable. Are you always trying to conceal your bra straps under your clothes? Fear no more. There is a growing fashion trend that has inspired many women to show their bras in a stylish and edgy way. For that, choose a nice-looking bra and pair it with a high-waisted skirt or pants or balance it with layering piece for the top part. You'll see how good it looks. Number 6. You may have a better experience when nursing. This one goes to all the moms out there. If you feel like it, you might choose to wear comfortable, wireless bras during breastfeeding periods for better support and to avoid soreness. If you are experiencing engorgement, which is a very natural process of milk leakage, you may also want to try absorbent nursing pads.